Hi, mister. I just saw you and I went inside to get you a snack. Yeah, would you like this one? Mister, come over here, mister. Why are you scared? Here, mister. Come on. Here, mister. Why are you scared? You're acting real skittish today. Here you go, mister. Come on. Here you go. Need some snacks. Come on. Need some snacks. It's all refreshing. It's very refreshing, mister. It's very refreshing. Sorry, I have not been able to come out here. I've been working. Mister? Gonna enjoy some carrots? Okay, I gotta go back to work, but I want to come check on you. Okay, mister? Mister? Is that yummy? Okay, you enjoy your carrots, okay? Mister? I wish I could have a break. Okay, mister. Looks like you wanted carrots today and not lettuce. You had lettuce for breakfast. Okay, you enjoy. You enjoy, mister. I'll see you in a little bit, okay? Be safe.